Hello POD fighters! If you are now a little bit lazy like me, just after completing Mother's Day campaign, then you can get some profitable ideas from this video on how you can prepare your design for next Father's Day in real soon. In this video I will show you some proven great designs that got huge sales in Mother's Day, and you can use those designs as a reference and then remake those for upcoming Father's Day. I'm highly sure this trick will definitely work and it can blow my Father's Day campaign. So let's check some designs. Here you can see some designs, and all of these are the best selling designs in this last Mother Day. If I check the analytics for these designs, then I can see it got a good number of sales from March till Mother's Day. Just like this, all other of these designs got great sales. I'm checking this from the March Informer tool, and with this tool you can do a lot of research, which is very great. You can check this tool from this video description's link and you will get a 20% discount with this code. For the convenience of this video, I have downloaded all profitable designs and made this Excel file, which I will use my reference. Some question may arise in your head, why am I picking these designs which were for Mother's Day? Yes, I'm picking this because all of these design templates were the best selling and proven that people actually like and buy this kind of design. So if I remake this and upload this to my shop, I have a higher chance to get sales. On the other hand, I'm a little bit lazy now to generate some new ideas, and there is not also enough time for me now to create new designs. So I'm just remaking all of those for Father's Day. For this first design, I can make it like dad, daddy, papa, bro. And for this design, I can make it like homie, father, friend. For this design also, it can be black father magic. All I will do just change the code, in some places the font also, because some fonts are more suitable for a male person and some are for female. Like in here you can see I don't prefer this font for a male, so I will change this. I will also change also some graphical elements where it is needed. If you look all these designs, then you can see most of the designs have not that many graphical elements. These designs are mainly text based, so people actually love text based design the most. If you ask me which type of t-shirt you want to wear, I will answer you a simple t-shirt with a simple design. It may be some text or quotes or with a little graphic. You can download this file and it's a giveaway. The link has been shared in the video description. So after making all designs from this reference, I will upload those with some great keywords, title and description. Then I will sit tight and I will see a boom. If you don't know how to make a killer title, description and select good keywords for March by Amazon, then you can see this video, and if you work on Redbubble, then I have also this video with similar topic. Really, it was so easy, and I will also kill this upcoming camp. Night out.